If you do any sort of work on your car, the crib or seat will make it a lot easier. There are many products available to choose mechanic stool seat, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best mechanic stool seat from reputable brands. After much research, found these products much subsidiary for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. ProLift C2036D. Functioning as both creeper and seat when necessary. The ProLift C2036D is the top pick for car lovers who want to take their self-repair game to the next level. It can be adjusted to serve as a creeper for repairs beneath the car and as a seat when you're working on other higher-up parts. It's got a neat little headrest too, which can be helpful for those long sessions staying underneath the vehicle. You can get the creeper seat in black and green colors, with green offering a little more visibility thanks to its bright neon-like color. It's the best overall choice for a premium and comfortable experience. Pros: can be converted as a creeper seat. Comes in 2 colors, with headrests for added comfort. Cons: not the most durable creeper in the market. Number 2. Torin TR6300 Red Rolling Creeper Seat. Creepers are made for repairs, and that's why you'll sometimes find creeper seats with built-in trays. This is one such seat, and the Torin TR6300 can be the best solution for those who'd rather not bring the entire toolbox with them near the car. The design of the supports provides ample space in the tray beneath and easy access. You can grab any tool you want without too much hassle. You can't adjust the height of the seat, which may be an inconvenience for some, but if you can get past that, it's a solid product. Pros: with segregated trays. Easy to grab items while seated. Ample space for most tools. Cons: cannot adjust the height. Number 3. Craftsman KSAJ 93382 Creeper Stool. There's a lot to love and little to criticize about the Craftsman KSAJ 93382. You'll have to get used to the large tray on this stool at first. Due to the large trays, you may bump your feet on them every now and then, which can get annoying over time. Minor inconvenience aside, it's a very well-rounded seat, and the large tray actually works to your advantage as you won't have to stand up and walk to your toolbox nearly as often. If you can work around the tray size, you should be good to go. Pros: large tray for plenty of tools. Height can be adjusted. The circular design allows you to sit anywhere. Cons: the tray can get in the way sometimes. Number 4. Performance Tool W85020 Creeper Seat. The one drawback of the previous creeper seat was that you couldn't really adjust the height of the seat to your liking. If you had legs that were too short or too long, you'd end up working very uncomfortably. The Performance Tool W85020, however, changes that. Functioning much like an office swivel chair, this creeper seat boasts plenty of storage with a tray at the bottom, while still having room to adjust the seat's height. There's even a bit of back support on the seat for a sitting experience that's just a little more comfortable than the average creeper seat. Pros: adjustable and variable height. Circular tray design. With a bit of back support. Cons: it may be uncomfortable for some. Number 5. JEGS Creeper and Mechanic Seat Set. The ideal creeper seat is a seat that you can rely on for years and years to come. At a glance, you can tell that the JEGS creeper seat was made for long-term use. The large supporting frame gives you a strong foundation to rest on. The kit includes both a creeper and a seat, which means that while it isn't a convertible creeper seat, unlike other brands, you're getting 2 separate tools instead. The creeper seat, in particular, is great for storing tools, though its lack of height adjustability leaves much to be desired. Pros: creeper and seat set. Durable frame for long-term use. The adjustable headrest on the creeper. Cons: the seat could be more comfortable. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.